Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade gravy. First, gather your pan drippings from roasted meats. These are essential for a flavorful base. Next, we'll create a roux, which is the thickening agent. Combine 2 tablespoons of fat from your drippings with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a light golden color. This step is crucial for a smooth gravy. Now it's time to add your liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of cold broth or water, a little at a time, while continuously whisking the roux. Adding cold liquid to a hot roux helps prevent lumps, ensuring a silky smooth gravy. Keep whisking until all the liquid is incorporated and the mixture begins to thicken. This process takes a few minutes, so be patient and keep stirring. Once all the liquid is added, bring your gravy to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. The gravy will continue to thicken slightly as it cools. Finally, taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. You can also add a pinch of herbs like sage or thyme for extra flavor. For an extra smooth gravy, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any small lumps or bits of meat. If your gravy is too thick, simply whisk in a little more hot broth or water until it reaches the perfect consistency. If it's too thin, simmer it a bit longer. Serve your delicious homemade gravy warm over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or biscuits. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.